Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how you can grow an Instagram theme page in 2024. Growing an Instagram theme page can be a challenging task, but with the right strategies and techniques, it can be achieved. Here is a detailed guide on how to grow an Instagram theme page. 1. Choose a niche. The first step in growing an Instagram theme page is to choose a niche. This could be anything from fashion, food, travel, or even a specific color or aesthetic. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a large following on Instagram. 2. Create a visually appealing profile. Your Instagram profile is the first thing people will see when they visit your page, so it's important to make it visually appealing. Use a high-quality profile picture and create a bio that accurately describes your niche and what your page is all about. 3. Post high-quality content. The key to growing an Instagram theme page is to post high-quality content that is relevant to your niche. Use high-quality images and videos and make sure your captions are engaging and informative. 4. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to reach a wider audience on Instagram. Use relevant hashtags that are popular in your niche and make sure to include them in your captions. 5. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial in growing an Instagram theme page. Respond to comments and messages, and make sure to follow other accounts in your niche and engage with their content as well. 6. Collaborate with other accounts. Collaborating with other accounts in your niche is a great way to reach a wider audience and gain more followers. You can collaborate on posts, giveaways, or even shoutouts. 7. Use Instagram stories. Instagram stories are a great way to engage with your audience and showcase behind-the-scenes content. Use polls, questions, and other interactive features to keep your audience engaged. 8. Post consistently. Consistency is key in growing an Instagram theme page. Make sure to post regularly and at the optimal times for your audience. 9. Use Instagram ads. Instagram ads are a great way to reach a wider audience and gain more followers. You can target specific demographics and interests to ensure your ads are seen by the right people. 10. Analyze your metrics. Finally, it's important to analyze your metrics to see what's working and what's not. Use Instagram Insights to track your engagement, reach, and follower growth, and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, growing an Instagram theme page takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and techniques, it can be achieved. By choosing a niche, posting high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and using Instagram's features to your advantage, you can grow your page and reach a wider audience. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel for more great information. Thanks for watching.